Eastridge today. Becci Skelton, 2 trail dog ride. Ooh, true tune cartridge. How's life riding with your girlfriend?
I just weed on my feet a little bit. 14 podiums, 10 first place.
Dog in action. Good trails though, aren't they? Why's it not working? But that looks revolting. Oh, finally done my tyre. Hey guys, I'm off to Eastridge today, the local trail. I haven't been there for ages. Good test for the collarbone. We're now a month after surgery. Can still feel it, but it's not too bad. I've got Colin with me, and behind me, in tow, is Becci Skelton, good friend, shit hot rider, and she has got Esme with her dog. So it's a 2 people, a 2 trail dog ride. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're here. Ooh, lovely. New shoes are on, first go. So I'm mixing up the RCs with the Saint pedals. Feels right, and today I think I'll really notice this True Tune cartridge I've got in there that replaces the tokens. See if it's any good. Colin, how's life riding with your girlfriend? You're not too humpy now you're running, are you? We have the one and only
Hello.
Becci Skelton.
Hi.
How are you?
I just weed on my feet a little bit.
As long as in wee on my feet, I'm happy.
That would be weird.
So tell the pin viewers who haven't seen you on my vlogs before about your amazing season.
Yeah, decent season. 15 races, 14 podiums.
Yeah.
10 first place.
How can you remember all
that?
many 10s?
Because I had to like write it in a thing to send to people the other day.
That's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm stoked with that, to be fair.
So you got no sponsorship for next year, obviously. They've all turned you down.
Nothing now. They said sorry, Skelly.
So
Yeah.
On the Saracen, on the Eve today, she's telling me to bugger off.
You dirty mess.
So I think steady chillers today.
Yep.
I'll follow you.
Yep.
And we'll get some dog in action. Yeah, well this is the longer way up, but it'll let the dogs just get a bit of energy out of them. Colin's not too he's not too horny once he's out. If he knows he's going for a run. Yeah, Colin. That's it, he'll stay with me now. Oh, I can feel the collarbone here. So Becci, when we ride, like some of you will have seen us riding together in Spain, very, very similar pace. But obviously I'm going to be a bit off the ball today. Having said that, I know the tracks, so that'll give me a little advantage over her. Just don't want to crash. Come on. That's Esme, by the way. She's a sheepdog. She's not hanging about. Will this corner catch her out? Catches most people out in the wrong gear. Yep. Everyone gets the wrong gear there. Don't want to land on Esme, so I'm going to back off a bit. There's a bit of a jump down here. Oh, forks feel nice. So we're heading over to the back side where all the good tracks are. These are the older ones on this side. Collarbone's feeling alright. That's it, keep going and go right. This is a newer one. There's a few different options, just go where you want. That's it. Bit nervy here with the collarbone. Alright, actually, it's alright. Hopefully I haven't lost too much skill. Whoa. Nice. That's alright, isn't it?
Pretty trout, yeah. Yeah, really good.
Oh, I can feel it down there.
Yeah,
it's not that bad. What happened last time I rode is it got better as I rode.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not, I've got some drugs I'm trying to avoid in the car. Try the little e-bike bit on the right where Colin is now. Yeah. See if you can hold it all the way along. Yeah, just follow it. Probably shouldn't be doing this with my collarbone and clip pedals. I'm gonna try and hump and she will tell him off. I don't hump on camera, it's not porno. Cole, what do you think to your new mate?
Hey? She's a good girl, isn't she?
He's such a fanny. Get out of the way. I'm well impressed with these shoes. It's so comfy. There is one with a jump here, but it's probably best to have a look at it. So if you go round that way and do it, it's fine. I'd say follow us in, but not with the dogs, that could be horrendous. Come here, boys. Boy and girl.
Boy and girl.
So used to saying boys. Come here, Ez. 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 I don't know if I want to do it. Oh, she did it. Yes. Ez, we got a bit close, so I bottled it. Oh, I can feel it down here. I was actually, I don't mind admitting, I was crapping myself about that just because of my arm.
Yeah, it's like short, like run out.
Yeah, even though I've done it, it's quite easy, isn't it? Yeah. Done it so many times. Good trails though, aren't they? Ah, big Strava line there, wasn't there? Yeah, wherever. Nice.
That was sick. Yeah, good track that.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
I got it. Right, we're going to try walk mode. I think I saw Brendan do this when he's at Dovey Bike Park.
Brendan.
Because obviously I got similar skill to him. Right, come on, walk mode, kick in. Why is it not working? Oh, knows. Just get it like that. We got a friend. Oh, look at that.
He's just dodging them.
He makes Colin look tiny. Over the bars on a big dog. Oh, I'm so glad I'm filming right now. I reckon we do a bit on these tracks and then go back to that jump because I feel I need to do it just to get my head around it. Watch out, Cole! Watch out! Right. Colin, move! Oh my God. You silly doggy. We're hauling, can I catch? Ah, new track there. Whoa, new track. Gotta hit that. You see that new track we crossed? That's completely new. I'd never seen that before. We need to go and find that. That looked like super loamy, didn't it?
Yeah.
So there's a new, I don't know if this is new or, but that looks revolting because you've got to hit it.
Blue stock jibbed on there.
Yeah, at that angle.
Yes, I know it is. I thought.
So have a little look further and see if it's worth riding. It's like that corner looks nice. Oh, f***ing hell, it's proper jumps. No way.
Yeah.
Never see jumps at these trees. I ain't doing them because they're full of water.
Yeah, like that.
Wow. That's pretty cool. Someone's been busy. I think that's definitely a summer job, isn't it?
Yeah.
We found, I think, what is a new track here. So I'm going to follow Bextable down it.
Ready?
Yeah? No idea what to expect. Oh, it looks loamy. She's a loamer. Wow. Whoa. I don't know if it's new. I think it's just been updated. Oh. Yeah, this is where we crossed over before. So paranoid about falling off.
I'm not off.
Jeez.
We're good.
Watch out, Cole. Wow, she's strawberrying. As soon as I start letting it go, I just start thinking about my frigging collarbone. So annoying. I don't think I've ever ridden that before. It's like go for a bit and then goes uphill. Yeah, as we go. You're right on her mum. Nice. Whoa, Cole. Cole straight line me then. I'm only going to do it if she gets behind me. Yeah. Right, onto the jump because it's stressing me that I haven't done it. Need to get it for confidence. Esme, back, back. Oh. I'm going to do it from here. She was right in front of me. I don't want to land on her. Phew! The stick again. He's not tired. I can't believe how fit he has got now. Right, so pretty chuffed I got over that jump. Try and get a bit closer to Beck now. Definitely, it's one of the older trails, definitely more ridden in. Oh, there's another new one there. Whoa, get on that new one on the left. Oh, it doesn't go anywhere. That's just the top bit. Oh yeah, it does. Follow this now, this is a bit of a trail now. I'm actually really liking this true tune thing on my forks. I don't know what it'd be like if you were hitting big compressions though. Might blow through. Whee, good girl. Gets good now this track. Left there, that's it. Ooh. She's going well, hanging about. She doesn't know it. Amazing. This is the scene of many a Todd crash down here when he was finding his feet and finding his speed. Coming in too hot to these bits. Nice. Yeah, we'll head back to the other side now. I don't think she likes you, Cole. Give her another sniff. Colin doesn't like being told off. Come here. Oh, good girl. Right, we're back onto the other side now. The older side. We'll try and direct Becky. Left there, that's it. Follow it down. A lot rougher and rockier here. Oh, Jesus! That sounded like it nearly broke both my wheels, whatever it was. Ooh. Flip out, jobby there. Straight down, that's it. We've got a puncture. Hang on. Oh, I've finally done my tyre. I have as well. Look at that, straight down.
Yeah.
You see a bit of jizz there. But because I've got wank eyesight, I can't see if it's a hole. You see if that's a hole? Isn't it there? Is that a hole?
Yeah. Yeah, proper slice that. That was straight down. We're alright.
Yeah, they take so much shit, these rims. Right. Get it on the camera wire. There it is, somewhere. I need to carry a pair of glasses in my pack now. Right, finally get to try out the Beatties pouch. But I just realised I haven't had one drink yet at all.
Neither. That's the problem with e-bike, isn't it? You're not like out of breath, are you?
This is the Lazine one that you put the doofer in and then it sends air in. I've actually never used it like this, so let's see if it works. No. It didn't do anything. Oh yeah, it did.
There you go.
And then you screw it out and it turn it off. You screw that out
Like
and it keeps that in. So you push that on like that.
Oh.
There you go.
Perfect.
Well, it's up and it's staying up.
Oi.
Yeah, it's worked. And I've even got a little blade. Probably go down in a sec. Whenever I film it and I'm really pleased, it then goes down afterwards. I'm quite impressed with that. Considering I've had it about 5 years. I've never actually used it like that. So this one's, yeah, twisty as hell. Do well if you hold a good pace down here. Super tight, innit? It's hard, isn't it? Very awkward. Nice. Go left here. The car park is just there. We can go back up round to where we were originally and come back down that one. That's a really good track. I used to do that for training in tight stuff. Yeah.
Training track, wouldn't it?
He's finally got tired. Taking some doing.
There's me up so much.
He's like, let's do it all again, the whole thing. We are on old dog, new tricks. I'm the old dog. Can I learn some new tricks down here? See what I mean? Yeah. Oh, we nearly got out by the snipers. This is where I think that the forks are going to be really good. Got some rattling noises going on, but I don't really care. It's been really good, this ride with Becci. Such a good rider, good company. And yeah, I just need to, the confidence is coming back. We've got a way to go yet though. I'm still a bit scared on the sniper routes. Taking alternate lines now and then. Yeah, that's it. Yo! Nice. Perfect timing as the rain comes down. Good boy, Cole. Well ridden run. So awesome ride, really liked it. It was great to get out with Becky. If you want to give her a follow, I'll put her Instagram up on the screen now, and I will see you soon. Check out any affiliate links in the description where you can buy things cheap. Give us a comment what you thought about this ride. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Keep it pinned. Comfy, son.